Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss banking terms. These terms are very important from the exam point of view. You will get related questions in your banking exams or other entrance exams. So let's discuss banking terms. ATM, Automated Teller Machine, is a computerized telecommunication device that provides the client with access to financial transaction in a public space without the need for a cashier, human clerk, or bank teller. Means you don't need any human clerk or any bank teller. All you need a card having magnetic strip or plastic smart card with a chip that contain unique card number and some security information. And for operating your ATM, every customer will get a personal PIN, means personal identification number. Bounce check. When the bank has not enough fund in the relevant account or the account holder requires that the check is bounced, then the bank will return the check to the account holder. Means if in your account there is insufficient balance and you send a check to the other person, then in that case bank will return your check to you. Bank rate. This is the rate at which central bank lend money to the other bank or financial institution. Central bank, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is a central bank which gives you the interest rate or other power to operate your bank. If the bank rate goes up, long-term interest rate also tends to move up and vice versa. Means if bank rate increases, your long-term rate also increases and vice versa. Means if it decreases, then your long-term interest rate also decreases. Current account. These accounts are maintained by the corporate clients that may be operated any number of times in a day. Means you are having a account in a bank and you can operate it any number of times in a day. There is a maintenance charge for the current account for which the holder enjoy facility of easy handling, overdraft facility, etc. Means for easy handling or overdraft facility, you have to pay some maintenance charge for current account. If you are having current account in a bank, you can operate it any number of time in a day. Just you are having some facilities, for that you have to pay some maintenance charge. Checkbook, a small bound booklet of checks. A check is a piece of paper produced by your bank with your account number, source code, and check number printed on it. The account number distinguishes your account from other account. The source code is your bank's special code which distinguishes it from any other bank. Means if you are having a checkbook, there is a personal account number which is printed on your checkbook, and it also consists of some source code which distinguish your bank with the other banks. For means this account number is same in all the check paper, and source code is also same in all the check paper. Means checkbook consists only 2 points, account number and source code, and check number is also printed on your checkbook. Check clearing. This is a process of getting the money from the check writer's account into the check receiver account. Check clearing means if you are write a check to a person, to other person, and he receives or she receives some money, then in that case your check would be cleared. Credit rating. This is the rating which an individual or company get from the credit industry. This is obtained by individual credit history, the details of which are available from specialist organization like CRISIL in India. It is related to own credit history. You will get it by your own credit history, and details are of which are available only from this specialist organization only. Credit worthiness. This is the judgment of an organization which is assessing whether or not to take a particular individual on as a customer. An individual might be considered creditworthy by one organization but one by another. Much depends on whether an organization is involved with high risk customer or not. These judgments are taken by the organization that the particular individual is going to take as a customer or not is defined as credit worthiness. CRR, cash reserve ratio. It is the amount of funds that the banks have to keep with RBI. Means the fund that the bank is having in their account have to keep it with RBI. And if the RBI decides to increase the percent of CRR, the available amount with the banks comes down. RBI is using this method to drain out the excessive money from the banks. Credit card. It is one of the system of the payment named after the small plastic card issued to the user of the system. It is a card issued to its holder to buy goods and services based on the holder's promise to pay for these goods and services. Means the holders got a card to buy his or her goods and services, and after buying those services or goods, you have to pay after buying those things. You have to pay after the buying and using. After some time you have to pay it to the bank. Means you can buy the goods and after that you can return it to the bank. Demand deposit. It is one which can be withdrawn at any time without any notice or penalty. Means that is the money deposited in a checking account or a saving account in a bank. Means if you are having a account in your bank, in a bank, and you have deposited some money, so you can withdraw it anytime or deposit it in any time. It's a demand deposit, means you can withdraw or deposit at any time in a bank. Debit card allows for direct withdrawal of funds from the customer bank's bank accounts. The spending money is determined by the available balance in account. Debit card is just opposite of the credit card. Means firstly you have to deposit some money in your account, means desired money which you are going to spend on your goods or services. Firstly you have to deposit some money in your account, and after that, based on that limit, you can spend your money which is already deposited in your account. Once the limit is over, you cannot buy or you cannot spend any money through your debit card. Debit card and credit card both are opposite to each other. Fixed deposit are the deposits that are repayable on fixed maturity date along with the principal and aggregate interest rate for the period. Banks pay higher interest rate on FD than the saving bank account. Means fixed deposit is a type of money you have to pay repayable on fixed maturity date along with the principal. Means you have to pay that money along with some particular period, and you will get higher interest rate on FD than the saving bank accounts. You will get higher interest value. Means if the percentage of interest rate on saving bank account is some value, and you will get the higher means more than that the value on the saving bank account. FC FNR accounts. Foreign currency non-resident accounts are the ones that are maintained by the NRI in the foreign currencies like USD, DM, GBP, etc. The account is a term deposit with interest rate linked to the international rate of interest of respective currencies. That's all banking terms. Subscribe our channel for more banking terms or banking related videos